Dear guest, welcome to this discussion. This discussion I will conduct in English as it will reach a wider range of audience to this video. So I would like to focus on the topic today. The topic today is orientation on art and its interdisciplinary nature. So you know that art is a very broad topic. It simply cannot be condensed within a definition or within any sort of explanation. It needs a total holistic understanding, a total living with art. If you cannot live with art, it would be very didactic, very theoretical, and it would not come to life. It would be very useless in a sense. So, in order to make the best out of art, we have to live in art, we have to thrive in art, we have to deal with our problems in a very artistic manner. And therefore, I would like to welcome you with this idea in mind that today we are not dealing so much with theory, rather, we are trying to make some sense out of this theory. Theory is important, no doubt, but we must make some sense out of it in our living experience, in our lived life. So I would welcome you about this with this theory in mind that you have to live your life in a very artistic manner. For instance, when you see a painting, this painting somehow influences your life. It brings calmness in your mind, in state of mind, tranquility. And therefore, art is so much, it can change your state of mind. Moreover, you know there are two types of art. One is fine art and another is applied art. For example, architecture. It is very applied art. Architecture, it has utilitarian values. But in a painting or in other modes of art that has least amount of utilitarian value, but it also has a sublime value. It also can change your mind, it also can change the mind of the public, that is called the public mind. The public mind is also a very important issue that we can focus. The public mind, the collective unconscious mind is also very much important. Just like our individual mind, individual psyche, the public mind can also create archetype. And those archetype, if you think of history, if you think of long-term art and art praxis, if you think in that way, those archetypes that will be created out of the public psyche, those carry a lot of value. So first of all, I would like to say my topic I will touch on the issue of both the personal psyche and the public psyche. That art, culture, and other religion, geography, politics that can exert in you. So you have to be very politically aware also. So, dear friends, let me say that assessing art is very important. What is art and what is not art? There must be criteria to assess and evaluate whether if something is art or if something is not art. So I have some formulas actually. I have just compiled those things from various sources, books and YouTube resources, and I would like to share with you in a very chronological manner how to assess art, because you know everything cannot be art. As Aristotle, Plato, Socrates said that imitation is art, but imitation by the filter of your mind, by the filter of your aesthetics. Aesthetics is also a pivotal factor in shaping art. Therefore, there are many criterions that I'd gladly share with you. So first of all, the very basics of fine art, first of all I would like to share with you, so that through this criteria you can also understand and assess the broader aspects of art, like architecture, like cinema, like uh, even debate. Debate also is a form of art. Even public talk is the art. And through these criteria, primarily, you can somewhat guess how to conduct the code and conducts of art in every sphere of your life, creative life. So let me write something so that you may follow. Thank you.